That is my pet Jonah. My baby Jonah is not a baby anymore. She already had a baby too, but only one. I don't know if that chick is girl or boy. I call that chick as Jix. Hello, baby Jix. And hello, Mother Jonah. She is a first-time mom. First-time mother chicken. First-time chicken mother, I mean. Hello, my beloved. It's been a long time. I didn't see you. But now, here you are. Lo. Isog kaayo. That's her friend. That is the friend of Jonah. The black one. But Jonah has had a brother too. Where is it? I called him Juno. Here is Jono. He's with the black chicken. Here they are. Jono is with another chicken. His girlfriend. By the way, I think Juno is the one who nag-upa kay Juno, because animals has no tawag nito, wala silang pakialaman kung magkaano ba sila, magkapatid. Welcome, baby Jix.